Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully you all are doing very well. Welcome back to my new video. Today's topic is how to use Google Authenticator app for Instagram. Alright, so let's quickly start our video. First of all, you need to open your Instagram. After that, you will need to click on your profile icon. After clicking, look, you have to go to this option. After going, you will see an option called Account Center here. You need to click on this. After clicking, you will see password and security. You need to click on this. Alright, look here. Below change password, you will find the option for two-factor authentication. You need to click on this. After clicking, select your account. After clicking, you will see the Authenticator app. Just click next on it. After clicking next, look here at copy and click on it. After clicking, come back. Once here, open your Authenticator app. After doing this, you will see a plus icon below. Click on it. After clicking, select enter a key setup. Paste your key there. I am naming the code Instagram here. Okay, add it. You will get this code. With this code, whenever you want to enter your password or anything after entering your email or number, you will give the code and your account will open. So friends, if you liked our video, please like, subscribe and share the channel. Bye for now.